right, personal box for Sean. Thank you, Sean. Good luck. This is brand new football. I have not seen it yet. 2025 Mosaic Hobby Football. 2 autos per box. Ten packs. All right, let's check it out. All right, lighting looks decent. James Pierce Jr. on the rookie. Caleb Johnson, Steeler rookie. And we got an auto in the first pack. Tight end for the Bills. It's number to 199. Dalton Kincaid. Dalton Kincaid. Red auto out of 199 for Buffalo. First pack. Tyler Shock. Is that how you pronounce it? Shock out of 199. That is a rookie orange. And a silver rookie for the receiver for the Panthers, McMillan. That is a silver introductions. There's a Scatabo rookie base. Garrett Wilson, silver. Thurman Thomas, red. Cam Hayward on the parallel. H.N. Travis Hunter, Silver Storm, rookie. Travis Hunter on the Silver Storm, rookie. Jackson Dart, rookie. Ty Felton, Ricky White, Trey Benson, silver. T. Higgins. There's another Dart. Introductions rookie, Jackson Dart. Mitchell Evans, rookie base. Shedeur Sanders, my man. I've been rooting for him, man. I'm glad he won last week. Got a touchdown, had another close one. Rookie base, Shedeur. Maxwell Hairston on the red rookie. Savion Williams, rookie parallel. And the other Browns, Light It Up. Is that just a silver? Kind of looks different. I don't know if that's just the regular lighted up silver rookie, but it looks pretty cool. Dylan Gabriel. Ashton Genty, rookie base. Pretty decent on the rookies and silvers. Damian Martinez and Harold Fannin Jr. rookies. Jordan Addison is purple out of 49. Number to 49 on the Addison. Singletary is a silver. Men of Mastery, Lamar Jackson. Cam Ward. He's having a rough year. Those Titans are pretty bad. They're going to get that first pick again, though. Cam Ward, rookie. Jalen Noel on the rookie for the Texans. Devin Neal. Elijah Arroyo, blue rookie auto is number to 99. Our second hit here for the Seahawks. Arroyo on the blue rookie auto, number to 99. Genty again on the rookie. J.J. McCarthy silver. Kenny Clark red. Cam Ward rookie. Men of Mastery this time. Cam Ward. Caleb Johnson rookie. Savion and a rookie silver Membo. Rookie silver Jawan Jennings red. Brian Thomas Jr. parallel. Mahomes, Jonathan Taylor, and Hampton on the dual silver there. Barron and Tesla, rookie base. Gabriel Davis. Barron on the rookie parallel. Men of Mastery Neighbors. There's another Shador. Shador Sanders, rookie. Last pack. Arian Smith and Cam Miller rookies. Quinn Ewers on the rookie blue here, number to 99 for the Dolphins. Willis McGahee. Parallel Jackson Smith. Wow, is he a freaking animal, huh? Smith and Jigba. And that'll do it. Let me know if you want another one, Sean. Oh, okay. I was just going to ask you. Stuff's pretty decent. I don't want rookies, at least. So you want... under the same one we just did the next one down. You got it. Okay. Another hobby box of 2025 Mosaic football. Okay, Blue, let me know if you want anything else with your pen box. And K Blue also said if somebody takes 2 in the filler, he would take the other 2 to fill it. Alright, first pack again on this side. Let's see if we got an auto again. Looks like something. Campbell. And we do have an auto. It also looks like something else. Let's see. First we have Jalen Royals. That is a rookie auto parallel for the Chiefs. Jalen Royals on the parallel auto. Rookie for Kansas City. We have an Amon-Ra St. Brown on the red. Ray McLeod, Jamar Chase, and this is a white Brian Thomas splash, number to 25. Number to 25 on that one. Brian Thomas splash out of 25 on the same pack as the auto. That's pretty cool. I think the other auto's in the bottom pack, so I'm sure it's in there again. Since most places don't sell these by the pack, it really doesn't matter. And if we did a pack break, we mix them all up, so they all go at once anyway. Josh Simmons, Jamiri Dyke, Taj Brooks, rookie silver. Man, I need him to start doing something. I didn't pay attention this week. I know last week he got some action with the injury. Devontae Smith red, Akama. Jahmyr Gibbs is an animal. Brock Bowers splash silver. I took a ton of Taj Brooks late in my best balls, and the reason you do that, Tyler Shock on the rookie base, is when the injury happens, you get that rookie running back getting all the carries. And I've done it with a few teams over the years, and You always take those backups late in best ball and just hope one of them hits. So I have a bunch of him. Arroyo and Schweschinger on the rookies. Sherman. Ooh, there's a nice Tyler Warren. That is, I guess, just a silver prism. I'm not sure what this parallel is called. I know it has a name, but you know me with the 88 different versions. But that's a nice Tyler Warren. These are Mahomes and Caleb. Wow, Caleb Williams is playing really good. This guy's good too. Egbuka on the introductions parallel. That's a nice card too. Rookie class turning out decent so far. Zabel, Tootin, McCaffrey on something different here. Number to 149 on the McCaffrey parallel. It says Panini in the background with some Panini symbols. Out of 149, McCaffrey. Zach Bond is out of 199. Jamar Chase and Malik Neighbors on the parallel silver. Higgins is the rookie. Anybody want fillers? They're $34 if anybody's watching them on YouTube and Facebook. We're opening some personals for Sean. We have a couple spots left in 3 different things. A helmet break has 2 left. A Donruss football 3-box division has 2 left. And a filler has, K Blue said he would take 2, so kind of has 2 left, but we have 4 left right now. He already has 2. 4 left in the filler at 34 each. Prather and Travis Hunter. Rookie Travis Hunter. And we got another white behind it. 01 of 25. Joe Theismann. Theismann is numbered 1 of 25. So 2 whites in this box. Oh, there's a nice Genty. Rookie silver parallel. Ashton Genty. And a Cam Ward lighted up silver. Actually, that looks different than the Gabriel. So the Gabriel is that other parallel. That is a Cam Ward lighted up. The Gabriel looked like the Tyler Warren, whatever version that is, in the Genty we just got. It's like I don't know. You guys tell me in the chat. Too many different names for all these things now. Watkins rookie. Warren Moon silver. Bryce Young is red. Devontae Adams with another big game this week. Man, those passes are hard to drop when Stafford puts them right in the breadbasket like he did on both touchdowns to Devontae on Monday night that I saw, so that was cool. And we got another Cam Ward. That is an introductions rookie Cam Ward right there. Golden. Abdul Carter, my man from Penn State on the rookie Gaston. And there is our auto. Lane Johnson, number to 99 for the Eagles. In focus auto out of 99, Lane Johnson, blue auto. TJ Watt, silver. McMillan, rookie. Got lots of new 25 football. If anybody wants anything, certified football just came out. It's very cheap for 25 football. This stuff's not bad. Mosaic's under 400. Certified's under 250. 25 football prices aren't too bad. There's a nice red McMillan. McMillan rookie red. And a Max Crosby parallel there. Menamastery Hampton on the rookie. Oh, I just saw your comment. I don't know if you called it or not, but yeah. Sounds like you might have. Higgins rookie. Loveland having a nice year. Rookie Jalon Walker, rookie silver Cooper Cup red. Jaden Daniels on the Man of Mastery. There is another Loveland on the rookie. And our last pack. Jackson Dart rookie. Deebo Samuel on the parallel out of 149. Panini parallel there. Jared Goff is also numbered to 49 on the purple. And what do we have on the Loveland here? This is a center stage silver prism Loveland rookie. And that'll do it. I don't know if that last card at Loveland is some sort of short print or not, because we didn't have any until then. Nonetheless, I'll get those sleeved up for you. Let me know if I can get you anything else, Sean. If anybody else wants fillers while we're on, I'm on YouTube and Facebook. I'll check the chats, but I believe it's just mostly K Blue and Sean talking. I'm going to show everything on the screen real quick and let you guys know what we have before I sign off, in case anybody wants any spots in the breaks or any personals. I got lots of the new football black, Panini black, certified, Mosaic, impeccable baseballs, fairly new. I have that. I don't know what else is out. Donruss Racing I have. It's cheap. All right, here is the breaks. This is our last helmet. Our last helmet is a division break. 8 spots, $80 each. I got 2 left. 2 left in that helmet break for one full-size, authentic autographed helmet. Those are really nice helmets if you want to get in on that one. There is 2 left. The other break is Donruss Football. It's 3 boxes of hobby. This stuff's gone up too, so pretty good price here on random divisions. There's 2 left. $180 will get you a division for 3 boxes of 2025 Donruss Hobby Football. I have 2 left. And then there is a filler for $34 that has 4 left. 10 spots, 34 each. Top spot gets into that Donruss we were just talking about. So the top spot gets a $180 division break. Second and third both get $80 spots into the helmet break. And I already calculated the filler into the spots left, I believe. So we have 4 left in the filler, 2 left in the helmet, 2 left in Donruss. Let me know if you want any spots or any personals. Otherwise, I'll be signing off. All right, Sean, thanks, dude. Yeah, I'll get this stuff boxed up. You ended up getting another box, so there is the tab of the $375 for that one, just so I don't get mixed up. I did text you that because it was the same price, so I don't want to get confused. So we have that, and let me know if you want the base stuff that you have here. I know I normally take it out. If you want rookies, I usually take rookies and inserts out, but whatever you want. You know, I can send the base, whatever. You have about a shoebox worth here between top loaders and base cards. K Blue, you have your pen box here, and that's it for you too. All right, thanks guys.